That's not going to change the molecule, it's only going to change our perspective. Molecules are three-dimensional objects, but we're trying to draw them in two-dimensional space. That poses some challenges. One of the things we may need to do from time to time is rotate the molecule or manipulate it into a different perspective than what we're currently looking at. One of the easiest ways to do that is what I call the pancake flips or the steering wheel rotations. These will not change the molecule, they will only change our perspective of the molecule. The first thing that we'll talk about is the pancake flip. I can take this entire molecule and I can flip it over 180 degrees like a pancake, 180-degree pancake flip. It's going to take this molecule, it's going to flip it like a pancake. Now, this OH group right now is on a wedge, which means it's coming towards you as a viewer. So if that OH group is coming towards you as a viewer, and I flip that molecule over like a pancake, now that OH group is going to be pointed away from you as the viewer. So that molecule on the wedge will now go to a dash. When I flip it over like a pancake, it's also going to flip the order of the carbons in the molecule. So the new molecule will now be drawn like this. When I flip it like a pancake, 4 will now be on the left. The oxygen will still be attached to carbon number 2, but again, when I flip it like a pancake, if it was pointed towards you as a viewer before, now when I flip it, now it will be pointed away from you as a viewer on a dash. This is a 180-degree pancake flip. We can do this pancake flip horizontally. We can also do this pancake flip vertically. There'd be nothing wrong with that. We can flip this molecule 180 degrees like a pancake vertically. Again, that's not going to change the molecule, it's only going to change our perspective. So that will move carbon number 4 down to pointing down in the southern hemisphere. And now carbon number 2 will also go down to the southern hemisphere. But when carbon number 2 was pointed away from you as a viewer before, now when I flip it horizontally, now it will be pointed back towards you on a wedge. So these are how we can do pancake flip rotations of a molecule. Another way we may want to rotate a molecule is like a steering wheel. I'll redraw the molecule. Another way to rotate a molecule is to rotate it in the plane of the board, but like a steering wheel. We can do that. That does not change the molecule. It only changes our perspective of the molecule. So I can do that. I can do like a 90-degree rotation of the molecule. And that's going to take the horizontal backbone and make it vertical. Carbon number 1 will be at the top. When I do that, carbon number 2 will rotate off to the right side. The oxygen group that is coming towards you as the viewer, when I rotate it, will still be coming towards you as a viewer, so it will still be on the wedge bond. And this is a 90-degree rotation of the molecule. You could also do a 180-degree rotation of the molecule, do any rotation that I want. 180-degree rotation. That would rotate the molecule completely. That will put carbon number 1 down on the bottom. And on carbon number 2, that's going to rotate the oxygen over to that left side of the molecule, but it will still be on a dash, on a wedge, because we're just rotating the steering wheel in the plane of the board. So these are pancake flips and steering wheel rotations of molecules. They're one of the easier ways to rotate and manipulate molecules. They don't change the molecule, they only change our perspective of the molecule.
I'm glad you're here with us for this training today. Check out these other videos in my playlists to see if there's anything else that can help you level up your ninja levels even further. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.